Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be learning about object functions. So let's get started here. So let's run this. I have made a class for this. So let's get started, shall we? So I want to make a function in a class, and that is actually possible. DEF. So let's get started with this object function. DEF on honor role self. If self.gpa, this is not actually going to check anything weird. This is just going to check the actual GPA that we defined in the main file. So greater than or equal to 4.0, return true. So what return true and return false is that it's going to return if that worked or not. So I'm going to use an else, return false. So this checks if the GPA is higher than 4.0, and then it's going to return true if it is, or if it's not, it will just return false. So let's go to main.py, and since the GPA is 4.5, let's check student 1, the on honor roll. This is a very short lesson, but I just wanted to show you about this. It prints out the goal and it's true if it's true. So you can't actually just do this. You actually have to check if it, make it print out a boolean. So the fix to that is using the brackets, and this will actually call out the function and check if it's true. And as you can see, it is true. But what if I change this to 3.5? Then it actually will change to false, since it is not above 4.0. So since that was a pretty short lesson, we could go for another tutorial. So let's go for inheritance. So inheritance is basically where we can define a bunch of attributes and functions that are inside a class, and then we can create another class, and then we can inherit all of those attributes. So let's get started. So let me change everything here, and for example, let me make a chef, some sort of chef class, and then on the count of 3, I'm going to make a class. I'm just going to edit it a little bit, but you guys just write it, and voila. So let me go to this, I'm now going to go for the thing, to the main file. And now my chef equal chef in brackets. So my chef the make rice and lobster, and then brackets. Then I'm going to run it, and then it's going to print out the chef will make rice and lobster tonight. And we can also change it. For example, make fruit salad. Salad. And then it will print out the chef will make fruit salad tonight. But let's say I wanted to create a class that modeled a different type of chef. So for example, to create a class that modeled a Chinese chef, so let's create a file Chinese chef.py. And then I'm going to after I actually get in the file, I'm going to make another class, and then I'm going to copy paste everything but add something else. Class Chinese chef. And then I'm gonna go to person.py. I'm gonna take everything from here and copy it. Then go to Chinese chef.py, and then I will copy paste everything. So let's say I want to search something from Chinese. So let me search a Chinese type of food, and then so I have taken some sort of Chinese food. Now I'm going to make a function out of it. Make dim sum self colon print the chef will make dim sum tonight. And then I'm gonna print that file out as well from Chinese chef import star, also known as all. So my C chef equal Chinese chef and brackets, and then my C chef just gonna let you know that it will be able to handle the normal chef stuff perfectly. And now I'm going to put dim sum, and then it's gonna print out the chef will make dim sum tonight. Okay, so let's get to the inheritation part. So let's go to Chinese chef and then import chef from person import chef. So instead of the name by itself, you could actually put these and then remove all of these, because you can actually just do chef like that. So what this does is actually it actually takes whatever this file has, and then it's basically going to like put it here. So basically it makes the Chinese chef make everything the normal chef can make. If you guys can understand me. So let's go back to main.py, and then I'm going to try that again. So make underscore make, what can we make? Let's make chicken. And then the chef will be able to make chicken, because I use inheritance to import everything from the normal chef to the Chinese chef. And how this works is that I inherited the make chicken method from person.py to Chinese chef using the import enter, and then just using open and close parentheses, and then just writing chef. And that's how the Chinese chef sort of will be able to make that. But here is a problem. So for example, I want the Chinese dude to cook something else for me. So for example, instead of make chicken, or make meat and make meat here, and then I want it to make chicken in the Chinese chef. So let's see the difference between the two chefs. So there is no make chicken anymore, so it's make meat. Make meat. So I want this to make chicken, but it has no RTPU make chicken, and it will only work if I make them both make meat. So to fix that, I'm going to actually write the thing here, and even if they are the same, I'm just going to change it up here. So for example, def make meat self print the chef will make chicken for meat. And then let's check the difference now between the normal chef and the Chinese chef. This one is make chicken for meat, and the normal chef will make meat. So that's called like overriding. So guys, that is what inheritance is. It allows me to take functionality from a class to another class. And now I'm going to and now that is it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.